Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bitget. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have done that, you will have to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner, and by default you will be on this overview page, but you need to tap on the spot tab first in the top. Then here you need to tap on the withdraw option. Once done, it will ask you which of the cryptos you want to withdraw from here. So you will be given 4 different options, but if you want to withdraw with fiat, then you just have to tap on the fiat option. First let me show you how you can withdraw your cryptos from Bitget. So you need to tap on the crypto tab. Then let's say you want to withdraw USDT, so you simply need to tap on USDT, then select the option of on-chain withdrawal. Now here it will by default select the TRC20 network, but if you want to change it, then you just have to tap on this network option. Then it will show you all of the networks that are available on it, so you just have to choose any of the networks as you want. For this video, I'm going to keep it as TRC20. Now, in order to withdraw your cryptos from Bitget, you need to get the address from any other exchange or wallet. Then you just have to select the same crypto and the same network in that exchange and copy the deposit address. Then you need to paste that address in this section and enter the amount of crypto that you want to withdraw. Afterwards, you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner, and on the next page you just have to follow further on screen instructions in order to just confirm your withdrawal. Now if you want to withdraw your money in fiat currency, then you need to tap on the fiat option, and then it will show you 4 different currencies that are available in fiat. So here let's say you want to do it with euro, so you need to select the euro currency. Then you will be landed on this page where it will show you the EUR deposit and receiving methods. But before that, you need to first verify your phone number, and then you need to verify your ID verification, which will work in UK and EEA only. So after completing these steps, you need to press the next button in the bottom. Then on the next page, you need to provide your banking details and further information in order to access this option and in order to withdraw your money in euro from Bitget. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.